life cycle costing is important because it then helps facilities managers appreciate the full or total cost of ownership of any equipment or asset even before they make the decision to procure it. I like using the example, the fact that something is reasonably cheap at procurement does not necessarily mean the effective life use of that equipment, that item is going to remain that cheap. So the cost spent at procurement stage may be outweighed by the actual cost of running the equipment. The first critical risk here is when you make decisions to purchase any item or a facility, you're literally flying blind. You have no sight of what the total cost of ownership of that asset is going to be. So you may find yourself falling into a very usual pitfall that most asset managers or facilities managers find themselves falling into, where you buy an equipment today and you're not able to, obviously without sight of the total cost of ownership, you're not able to budget properly for that asset going forward. So at a point, you may find yourself where you don't have funds to fund operation of that asset, operation of that facility, which then yields your deferred maintenance.